In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a UK PayPal account to Payoneer and withdraw PayPal funds. Before we begin, an important note. PayPal and Payoneer don't have a direct integration. What we're doing is using your Payoneer GBP receiving account as if it were a regular UK bank account, so PayPal can route your withdrawal to it. Start by signing in to your Payoneer account. From your dashboard, open Receiving Accounts or Bank Accounts. You're looking for your GBP account details. Select the British pound option and you'll see two key pieces of information, the account number and the sort code. Copy both carefully. It's worth double checking these details now because any error here can cause a failed link or a delayed transfer. Next, open PayPal and sign in to your UK PayPal account. Once you're in, go to the Wallet section. Choose the option to link a bank account and make sure you select the UK bank option. When prompted, paste in the Payoneer account number and the sort code you copied earlier. Review what you've entered, confirm everything looks correct, and then click Link Bank. Accuracy matters here, so take a moment to verify the numbers match exactly. PayPal may ask you to verify this bank by sending two small test deposits. This is normal. Wait for those micro deposits to show up in your Payoneer GBP account. They usually arrive within a couple of business days. When you see them in your Payoneer transactions, return to PayPal, go back to Wallet, select the pending bank, and enter the exact deposit amounts to confirm ownership. Type them precisely as shown, including the correct pence. Once verified, you're ready to withdraw. In PayPal, click Transfer Funds or Withdraw. Choose your linked Payoneer GBP account, enter the amount you want to move, and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind that withdrawals typically take a few business days to clear. You can track progress in your PayPal activity and also watch your Payoneer balance for the incoming funds. Here's a quick recap of the flow. Get your GBP details from Payoneer, link that as a UK bank in PayPal, verify with the two small deposits, and then withdraw your PayPal balance to that account. A few tips to avoid hiccups. Make sure the name on your PayPal and Payoneer accounts matches, double check the account number and sort code, and be aware of withdrawal limits, processing times, and any possible fees on either side. Remember, this works because Payoneer provides virtual UK bank details, which PayPal treats like a standard bank account. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical payments tutorials.